Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to fiber etch a real 12-inch saw blade. So what makes the fiber etching of this blade special is that it's actually a clock, as you can see with the middle part. And I just ended up using a metal washer in the middle of it to help give it some support. Because really what you want to do is hang this on the wall. And to do that, you have the clock mechanism in the back here. So again, it is a real saw blade. And I also have the rubber going around here. This will be taken off by the customer, but because I need to ship this out, it's safe to do this because this is a really sharp blade and you don't want to remove all of this and start getting yourself chopped up in the office until it's set up and primed to start working for you. I've run CNCKing.com for more than 5 years now, and we actually started with the laser that's behind me here. It has a fiber and a CO2 laser source. The nice thing about fiber laser etching stainless steel is that it's a completely permanent process. What I mean by that, it's not going to fade, crack, or peel over time. Unlike screen printing, vinyl printing, or any other kind of printing that happens with stainless steel, including UV printing, all that stuff comes off. This stuff is actually into the metal and it stays permanently. So the design options as a result are totally limitless. We can use any font, any image, anything you want to go onto the saw blade in this case specifically, but we can also make your custom plates for machine tags and all the other kind of stuff that you might need. So if you're looking for custom fiber etching for a clock or what have you, contact me at CNCKing.com and we'll make it for you.